Welcome to qnawire.
So we have a mercury bulb. Let's say the volume of the mercury bulb was V, which we know is 0.275 centimeter cubed. And let's say the mercury was until a length L0 and it goes to delta L after the expansion. The temperature went from 10.5 degrees to 33 degrees, which means a delta T of 22.5 degrees Celsius. Now, so when the temperature changes, the glass bulb expands and the Hg, the mercury inside, also expands. So the total extra liquid that will flow into the cube would be the change in the volume of mercury minus the change in the volume of glass bulb, because the extra volume of glass bulb would accommodate a little of the extra mercury volume. So the net increase in the volume in the tube would be, let's say, delta V. That would be delta V Hg minus delta V glass, which would correspond to the volume of the bulb, beta of mercury, delta T minus volume of the bulb, beta of glass, times delta T. Now, to find this length delta L, we know that surface area of the tube, let's say it is A, the length, the changing length times the surface area must be equal to delta V, which gives us the change in length is equal to delta V by the area. We know that the diameter is 0.140 millimeters, which means area must be pi d square by 4. Now, we know that delta V is this, so let's use that. That's V, that is 0.275 times delta T, which is 22.5 times beta Hg minus beta glass. That would be 180 into 10 power 6 minus 9 into 10 power 6. So that's 180 minus 9 into 10 power minus 6 divided by the area is pi times the diameter is 1.4 into 10 power minus 2 centimeter squared whole squared centimeter squared, and the 4 in the denominator goes to the top. Notice that this 0.275 is in centimeter cubed, which means our units will finally be in centimeters, which is good, which is fine. This number turns out to be 6.87 centimeters. And this is part A. For part B, we need the formula, which is simply this formula. By substituting the expression for the change in volume, we can write it down. Delta L is equal to 4 by pi d square. This is the volume, 1 by pi d square, times the initial volume V0 times beta of mercury times beta of glass times delta T.